Hey everyone, this is a review on a video that I did a couple of days ago. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are talking about a pair of headphones that my good friend Dan Rock gave me on his channel, and I did a review with him, and it was about 4 months ago. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link down below for you guys. And today we are talking about SoundPeats headphones. These headphones are 8 hours wireless play, and I have them right here. And if they do come, well, show on camera. Sorry about that. These are Bluetooth wireless headphones, and they charge if I get the charger bit out as well. These headphones, guys, these are so much easier to use as they are Bluetooth. Bluetooth headphones are more easier to use as a getting a camera, not like audio headphones. But I just like Bluetooth headphones because of their quality, their sound quality, their bass quality, their triple quality. It's amazing what they can do to improve the sound. The sound on these, I mean, these are amazing to use. And trust me guys, they're about 20 quid. I will leave a text about that with the price with on the later on the video. And yeah, I just want to say to you guys, these headphones are very good to use, and I just love them. And they come with a charger, and I will show you where they go if I can get them for you. If I can open the slot bit for the charger. There you go. If I get a good angle from it, if you can see the angle, apologise if you don't. There you go. Where have they gone now? They disappeared on me. Oh well. Apologies guys. The chargers disappeared on me. They guys like me. So yeah, these headphones are very good to use, and if you wanted to if you want to go around your neck, and guys, these headphones are cool. I mean, proper cool. And the other thing, if I'm probably saying you already, if I get a good shot, sorry if my hand's like that, it's just because I was born with this hand. Now, if I can get a good angle, if I can, I'm apologising if you do see it. There you go. Now, these headphones are on your neck now, on my neck now, and they come with a bag as well. Come with a bag. There's my charger. I thought I lost them, but they come with a bag as well. These are very good to use, and honestly, it is so much easier to use than if you want to go on holiday. As I just said, go on holiday. You may want to take this, because if you lose them, your parents will know, and you don't want that to happen. So, my advice to you guys is, all of you who do watch this, if you don't, you don't. Make sure you take this, because this is a very good, useful thing to take. And now, this headphones bit, the headphones, here, see here, these are a good equipment to fit, and I don't know what to say else, but I just want to let you guys know these headphones are really good. I will leave the price tag up there. They're roughly about £20 on Amazon, and SoundPeats $12.99 in America as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I know I don't say a lot about YouTube and that. I'm just trying to find a better video for you guys that you can actually watch and see what you can give me a comment. And yeah, as I just said, I've been very busy with work as well, and college. It's been mental for me the last couple of days. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe if you can. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Hey everyone, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and hopefully we can do some more future videos very soon.